Here's how to find the maximal domain of log functions. So in our first example, we've got log x plus 1, x minus 4. So if we make this x plus 1 and x minus 4 greater than 0, we'll get x is greater than negative 1 and x is greater than 4. So we can see from these 2 points, it will keep going to negative infinity from negative 1, and from here it'll go from 4 to positive infinity, and also go down like this. So we can say our maximal domain is negative infinity to negative 1, union 4 to positive infinity. And our range also goes down to negative infinity, so negative infinity, and it also goes up all the way to positive infinity. So our range is all real numbers, so you can also say negative infinity to positive infinity. So let's go to our next example. So the natural log of x minus 1, x plus 2. So it's the same as before. So we can go from these 2 points. So if we make x minus 1 and x plus 2 greater than 0, because the log can't be 0, so it has to be greater than 0, we'll get x is greater than 1 and x is greater than negative 2. So from negative 2, it'll keep going on to negative infinity, and from 1, it'll go down, it'll go to positive infinity, and it can also go down here. So the range is also negative infinity to positive infinity, like this. Negative infinity, it keeps going down, also goes up to positive infinity. So our maximal domain is negative infinity to negative 2, union 1 to infinity. And our range is all real numbers. So on this third example, this is where it gets interesting, because this has a negative turning point. So the natural log of negative x minus 4 the whole squared plus 5. So if we equate that, first let's go through the range. So the domain is kind of restricted at this point. So let's say this is, if we equate it, we'll get log e5 or log ln 5. So that's our range will be restricted at this point, but it'll keep going down to negative infinity. So our range would be negative infinity to ln 5, and this square bracket, because it's also equal to ln 5, and then everything less than ln 5. And then for our domains, you can see these 2 points. So it's going to restrict it. It's not going to go on forever like the other examples. So if we equate it, we'll get 4 minus root 5 and 4 plus root 5. So here and here. And it's like a restricted domain. So go, our domain is 4 minus root 5 and 4 plus root 5. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.